right, we're doing page 2 and 3 together, and these are vertical pockets, which means you can pop things into there and there. And we've also got paper matching here, so you're continuing the pattern through. So this is a good way. This album actually shows you how to do flaps, straightforward vertical and horizontal pockets. It's just really a really good beginner's layout to start with. So that's the book there. The page plan here. Page 2, I've written that's my hinge side. Page 3, hinge side. Vertical pockets, and then you have a decorative strip there. So, right, you can see I've got page 2 written here. It's the right way up. Just to double check, yes, it is the right way up, and that will be my hinge side. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is stick my decorative paper here. It's got script on the back, so I know that it needs to go up that way.
Bring it towards me then. What's that?
Better?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. I like this floral pattern on this one. Okay. So that's that one there. And then we're going to have a larger pocket on top here. And then we're going to have another pocket which is going to go on there. So when this goes on there, you'll see that, oh, that's not big enough to cover it all. It doesn't matter because it's going to be covered by this pocket here. It's all about saving you paper as well. You don't need to cover a complete bit because that would be a waste because it's covered up and you won't see it anyway. So
I think isn't your script upside down?
No.
Okay.
That's a 2 there, a 1 and a 2.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. But thank you for asking.
You sure?
Yeah, quite sure.
Lift the bottom bit up. It's coming, pointing that direction. Your arrow is pointing that direction.
What arrow?
Oh, right. Is it, yeah, I'm looking at it upside down, that's why.
I'm totally this is the correct way up. So, okay. So I'm going to stick my pocket on next. But it's good to ask me, Kay, because it's so easy to do.
I told her earlier not asking you about something like
Yeah,
that.
you were, weren't you? So, right, it's okay. So I'm going to butt it up to the edge. Again, take a piece of white paper if you're not sure. Butt it up to the edge. You need to make sure you don't go over the edge because this is a hinge side that's going to stick onto your hinges. Make sure it's straight. Okay, well, that's fine. We'll just burnish. Right, so this one with the script the right way up is going here. Oh, I had to stop then. I thought, oh, have I done the wrong side? That's it. Okay, so that's the edge of your pocket there. That's going on there. Like that.
Do you want to bring it just a tad towards me? That's it.
Okay, and then this is going to be your next pocket. It's going to stick on there like that. So again, just glue on 3 sides. Make sure it's flush there. And then that one's going to go there. I'm just going to check that I've got the right piece so it's going to carry on matching the pattern. Yes, it is. Okay, stick this one on next. And remember, if you go wonky on your edges, which I'm sure I will later on in the album, you can always use your black pen to run down the side. So that's page 2 done. So now I'm going to take page 3. See, it says page 3. And I'm going to do exactly the same. So the first thing I'm going to do is stick my decorative strip here. And we'll do our base black card pocket next. So this one's going to go to the edge again. Pop that down. Next pocket. Don't get stuck to the paper underneath. Should be that's your pocket there. Okay, and that is page 2 and 3.